Today now I would like to start from Rydberg constant. Rydberg constant. Please listen carefully. Rydberg constant R. Rydberg constant R. Rydberg constant R. Yes, we know very well. Energy of nth orbit equal to minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon n square h square. This is the total energy formula. Energy of nth orbit formula. Write down, dear students. That's why I'm telling you. Complete करके आ जाओ ऐसे बताया yesterday. Energy of nth orbit equal to minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon n square h square. If you want En1, first N1 energy level, minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon N1 square h square. En1. En2 minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon n2 square h square. En1 is the lower energy level, En2 is the higher energy level. Okay, now simply call, otherwise direct E1, E2 I am taking. E2 is the higher energy, E1 is the lower energy. Electron jumps from E2, higher energy level to lower energy level. E2 minus E1 I am doing. E2 minus E1, which is equal to this one minus that one. If I am taking the common, minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square. If I am taking this one common, 1 by this one common, 1 by n2 square minus means plus हो जाते. So 1 by, I am taking 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 n2 square h square means 1 by minus n2 square minus 1 by, okay, minus of 1 by n1 square. This step understood, dear students? This step understood? 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square. If I am taking the common this one, minus 1 by n2 square minus 1 by n1 square. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? Then 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square, minus of minus plus, that's why 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. I am explaining very clearly. Continuation, yesterday continuation. E2 minus E1, which is equal to delta E. E2 minus E1 delta E, which is nothing but change in energy. Delta E equal to h nu. Delta E equal to h nu. H nu equal to 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Any doubt? But nu equal to c upon lambda. H nu means c upon lambda. 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. H comes in this side, hc comes in this side, means 1 by lambda equal to 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h cube c. 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Any doubt, dear students? Any doubt?
Sir, repeat again.
Shall I repeat? Dekho. Once again, dear students, don't worry, please concentrate. Energy of nth orbit minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 n square s square formula. N orbit number. For example, first orbit is n1 minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon n1 square into s square. E2 minus 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 n2 square s square. E2 minus E1. E2 minus E1 equal to means this one minus that one. I am taking common 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h square. I am taking common. Then minus 1 by n2 square. Minus 1 by n1 square. This step only confused होता है. This step समझ में आया? Understood?
Yes.
So minus of minus plus हो जाता है. That's why 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Delta E equal to h nu. H nu equal to this value. But nu equal to c by lambda. Hc by lambda this value. Hc comes in this side, h cube c. 1 by lambda equal to this value. But mu bar equal to 1 by lambda. Mu bar equal to 1 by lambda. So this formula mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to 2 pi square mz square e power of 4 upon h cube c into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Any doubt, dear students? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Gayatri, understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. This total constant, pi constant, m constant, mass of the electron, z is atomic number, E is charge of an electron, h is Planck's constant, c is the velocity of light. If you substitute these all values, that is the constant, that is the Rydberg constant. Then mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Shall I repeat?
No, sir.
हाँ लिखो मैडम लिखो. This is the R. This R value, this is the R. R equal to 2 pi m z square e power of 4 upon h cube c. If you substitute these all values, 109677.8. Okay. 109677. Okay, Z is atomic number change, Z square centimeter inverse. R value. N1 is the lower energy level, N2 is the higher energy level. Mu bar is the wave number. Completed. Completed. Right. This is the Rydberg constant. Dear students, completed.
Done, sir.
Next. Velocity of nth orbit. Velocity of nth orbit. Velocity of nth orbit. Orbit angular momentum formula. Orbit angular momentum formula. Tell me what is orbit angular momentum formula? MVR equal to n into h by 2 pi. V velocity. Velocity equal to nh by 2 pi mr. Understood? M and r comes denominator. B equal to nh by 2 pi mr. Radius of nth orbit का formula you know very well. What is radius of nth orbit formula? R n equal to n square h square upon 4 pi square mz e square. Mz e square. If you substitute in this R, in this equation, equation 1, V equal to nh 2 pi m, R is n square h square by 4 pi square mz e square. Either nh cancel, 2 pi m cancel. Then velocity of nth orbit, nh by 2 pi m n square h square into 4 pi square mz e square. Because of this one reverse होता है ना, nh cancel. Then velocity of nth orbit formula 2 pi z e square by nh. 2 pi m cancel, remaining 2 pi z e square. 2 pi z e square upon nh. Understood? Either n cancel, either h cancel. Denominator nh. 2 pi m cancel. Understood? Velocity of nth orbit formula 2 pi z e square upon nh. Is substitute here 2 pi e square upon h into z by n. So this is the constant value. This value is 2.188. 2.18 into 10 power of 6. 10 power of 6 into z by n meter per second. Or 2.18 into 10 power of 8 into z by n centimeter per second. This is the velocity. Dear students, understood?
Sir, I can't say anything.
1 minute. Right. Okay, madam. Vaishnavi understood? New student. Vaishnavi understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. This is velocity of nth orbit. For example, velocity of second orbit in hydrogen. Second orbit is the n value 2. Hydrogen means Z value 1, atomic number 1. Third orbit is the n value 3. Hydrogen means Z value 1. Like that, you have to solve the question. Next. Next, number of revolutions formula, write down. Number of revolutions formula. Number of revolutions formula. Velocity upon circumference. Velocity upon circumference means V upon 2 pi mr. If you substitute this R value and everything, then you will get 6.66 into 10 power of 15. This value you have to remember into Z square upon N cube. Z atomic number, N is the orbit number. Number of revolutions in third orbit of hydrogen is 3 cube, hydrogen 1. I just substitute करो. Z atomic number and orbit number है. Time period of revolution. Time period. Reverse this one. Time period. Circumference upon velocity. 2 pi r. पता है ना circumference. Orbit circumference is the 2 pi r. 2 pi r upon velocity. Two pi r upon velocity time period. So if you substitute this value, 1.5 into 10 power of minus 16 into n cube by z square. Completed?
No. Okay, sir.
Next. Ionization potential formula. Array energy of nth orbit formula, dear students. Energy of nth orbit equal to minus 13.6 into z square by n square electron volts. Ionization energy means positive में आते हैं. Ionization energy formula, ionization energy or ionization potential formula. Ionization potential formula. Okay. Listen, my dear students. Ionization potential of IP of nth orbit, which is equal to E infinite minus En, actual formula. This point important. 1 minute, listen carefully. Ionization potential of nth orbit, which is equal to energy of infinite orbit minus energy of nth orbit. n value infinitive, substitute करो रे, n infinitive, infinitive means anything upon infinitive 0, 0 into anything 0, that's why ionization potential of nth orbit which is equal to 0 minus energy of nth orbit formula minus 13.6 into z square by n square, then minus of minus क्या हो जाते हैं, plus हो जाते हैं, that's why 13.6 into z square by n square electron. Ionization potential of nth orbit equal to E infinite minus En. Infinite 0 minus En means minus 13.6 into z square by n square. Any doubt? Understood, dear students? Everybody understood? Z is atomic number, N is orbit number, you know very well. Dear students, completed?
Yes, sir.
Next. One of the most important topic, dear students, that is hydrogen spectrum. Listen carefully. If you have any doubt, ask me first. Listen carefully. Hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen spectrum. Listen, my dear students. Hydrogen spectrum. Hydrogen naturally occurring in the form of diatomic gaseous molecule. My point understood? Hydrogen naturally occurring in the form of H2 gas state. Diatomic gas state, H2. Hydrogen naturally occurring in the form of diatomic gases, H2. Hydrogen molecule subjected to electric discharge. Subjected to electric discharge. Subjected to electric discharge. Hydrogen molecule is subjected to electric discharge to give hydrogen atoms. To give hydrogen atoms. Understood? Electric discharge means we are giving some heat energy to this molecule. While giving some amount of heat energy to this hydrogen molecule split into atoms. Two hydrogen atoms. Understood? Hydrogen molecule subjected to electric discharge to give hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom atomic number 1. Hydrogen atom atomic number 1, 1s1. One electron is there, that electron is the first energy level. That electron is, yes, first energy level. This is the first energy level. First energy level. N equal to 1, first energy level. 1 electron. So this is the second energy level, third energy level, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like infinite energy levels are there. Like infinite energy levels are there. N equal to 1, N equal to 2, N equal to 3, N equal to 4, N equal to 5, N equal to 6, N equal to 7. Like infinite लिख सकते हैं, huh? Once again, I am repeating, listen, my dear students. Hydrogen molecule subjected to electric discharge to give hydrogen atom. So while giving heat energy through electric discharge to give hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atom atomic number 1, which contain 1 electron. That electron present in the first energy level. First energy level. This electron absorbed energy. This electron promoted to higher energy level. My point understood, dear students. Some amount of energy given to this electron promoted to higher energy level, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to infinite, maybe possibilities. So when some amount of heat absorbed by electron in ground state of hydrogen atom, this electron promoted to somewhere at higher energy level. The most important point, my dear students, any chemical species is unstable at higher energy level. Any chemical species. It may be atom or ion or molecule. All chemical species are unstable at higher energy level. All chemical species are unstable at higher energy level. Any doubt is there? Understood? So that's why those electron come back to ground state. When an electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, released energy, that released energy passes through present different spectral lengths because of the photographic rate. This is called hydrogen spectrum. So once again, I am repeat, listen, my dear students, hydrogen molecule subjected to electric discharge, hydrogen atom atomic number 4, that electron present in the first energy level. Some amount of heat absorbed by this electron promoted to higher energy level. Higher energy level, all chemical species are unstable. That's why electron come back to ground state. When an electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, released energy. That released energy passes through the present different spectral lengths recorded on the photographic plate, which is called hydrogen spectrum. Sir, electron jumps from higher energy level. So different possibilities. So with respect to first energy level, what are the higher energy level? Shruti, tell me, with respect to first energy level, what are higher energy level? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, infinite up to. So electron jumps from any higher energy level to first energy level. Means 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1, 7 to 1, 8 to 1. Okay. Like this. Understood? 8 to 7 to 1, 8 to 1. Like infinite lexicon. This group of spectral lines, which is called Lyman series. Lyman series observed in UV region. Very important topic, my dear students. If you have very doubt understood, ask me. When an electron jumps from any higher energy level to lower energy level, this group of spectral lines are Lyman series. Lyman series observed in UV region. Okay. Shrutika, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. For example, second energy level, lower energy level. 2 to 4 to 2, 5 to 2, 6 to 2, 7 to 2, like 8 to 2, like, okay. This is Balmer series. Balmer series observed in visible region. Lyman UV, Balmer visible. Four to 3, 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3, 7 to 3. This is the Passon series. Passon series near IR. IR means infrared. Okay. Five to 4, 6 to 4, 7 to 4. Bracket. This is mid IR. 6 to 5, 7 to 5. Okay. This is the P fund series. P fund series. This is the far IR. Far infrared. 7 to 6. This is Humphrey series. Humphrey series. This is also far IR. Any doubt, dear students? Lyman, Balmer, Passon, Bracket, P fund, Humphrey series. Sir, why we are taken seventh energy level? No, we can write up to infinite. Board is not sufficient, yeah. That's why I took up to seventh energy level. Understood? So, dear student, what is my final conclusion? Any electron jumps from any higher energy level to first energy level, Lyman series, which is observed in UV region. UV means ultraviolet. Any higher electron jumps from any higher energy level to second energy level, Balmer series, which is observed in visible region. Any higher energy level to third energy level, Paschen series, which is observed in near IR. Any higher to fourth, bracket mid IR. Any higher to fifth, F and far IR. Any higher to sixth, recently observed this series, Humphrey series. Humphrey series observed in far IR. I think in your book not given, please write down. Humphrey series not given, total write down. Understood, dear students? Shraddha, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, write down, write down. Please write down, dear students, first. Right. Shall I rub it? Right. Dear students, Lyman series, which is the lower energy level? In Lyman series, which is the lower energy level? Daniel, which is the lower energy level in Lyman series? First energy level. First energy level. Higher energy level? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to infinite higher energy level. In Balmer series, which is the lower energy level? Second energy level. What are the higher energy level? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to infinite. In Paschen series, bracket series, sorry, yeah, Paschen series, third energy level is the lower energy level. Higher energy level 4, 5, 6, 7. Any doubt? Haven't understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Dear students, a simple table I'll call on this one. Series, region, energy levels, N1, N2. Series, region, energy levels, N1, N2. Our class table call ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ Rydberg equation. If the place is not sufficient, that's why I wrote here. Rydberg equation. Okay. series is Lyman series. Lyman series region, which region? UV region. N1 1, N2 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite. For this one, Rydberg equation, mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to R into Z square into 1 by hydrogen spectrum and Z value 100. So 1 square. Z square means 1 square into 1 by N1 square. N1 square means 1 square. 1 by N2 square. Understood? Dear students, this step understood? In Lyman series is the Lyman series, region UV, N1 1, N2 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. Rydberg equation formula, mu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to R into Z square. Z means hydrogen 1, N1 means lower energy level 1, minus 1 by N2 square. N2 you can write 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. समझ में आया dear students? Daniel, understood?
Yes.
Right. Pratima, understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Second series, write down, dear students. Balmer series. Visible. N1 2, N2 2, sorry, 3, 4, 5 up to so on infinite. You got 1 by lambda R Z square, 1 by N1 square. N1 square means 1 by 2 square minus 1 by N2 square centimeter inverse. Understood? Because either N1 is 2N square. Write down. Tejas, understood? Tejas? Passing series near IR. N1 3, N2 4, 5, 6 up to so on infinite. Rydberg equation is the 3 square. Understood, dear students? Bracket. Mid-IR 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so on infinite. Lyman Balmer Paschen bracket. P-fund series for IR 5, 6, 7, 8 up to so on infinite. Okay ना? अरे ब्रैकेट सीरीज है तो N1 4 लिखना पड़ता है. N1 4. P-fund है तो N1 5. Okay ना? Understood right? Sritika, understood?
Yes, sir.
Series like that only आप लिखो. Okay? Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Next. Listen, my dear students. High energy and wavelength inversely proportional, right? Lyman series, high energetic transition, high energetic, high energetic, high energetic transition. Don't write, first listen up. Or limiting line, or shortest wavelength, shortest wavelength. Low energetic transition, or longest wavelength. Dear students, listen carefully. For example, Lyman series. In Lyman series, what is the high energetic transition? What is the high energetic transition? Infinite to 1. Infinite to 1. This is the N2, this is the N2, this is the N1. N2, N1. N2 to N1. Either be N2 to N1. Understood? In Lyman series, which is the high energetic transition, infinite to 1. In Lyman series, which is the low energetic transition, 2 to 1. Any doubt, dear students? In the Lyman series, lower energy level is the first energy level. So that's why high energetic transition, infinite to 1. Shortest wavelength, sorry, longest wavelength. Longest wavelength means 2 to 1. 2 to 1. Balmer series, Balmer series,
Infinity to 2.
infinity to 2, 3 to 2. Passion series, infinite to 3, 4 to 3. Bracket, infinite to 4, 5 to 4. P-fund series, infinite to 5, 6 to 5. Any doubt?
Can you please repeat again?
Dear students, very important this one. Array Lyman series means lower energy level, first energy level. For example, in the objective examination, Rydberg equation formula क्या है? What is Rydberg equation? U bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to R into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. For example, U bar means wave number. High energy, okay, lambda wavelength, R Rydberg constant, Z atomic number, N1 lower energy level, N2 higher energy level. If you want high energetic transition means maximum energy or shortest wavelength of Lyman series. If you want, you can substitute N1 and N2 value here. Lyman series high energetic transition infinite to 1 ring. Means Higher energy level infinity 2, lower energy level 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So depends upon question. Theory देखो क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे डोंट वरी और अदरवाइज सिंपल फार्मूला में बताता हूं यार लैम्डा दिस फार्मूला लिखा ना एवरीबॉडी कंप्लीटेड lambda equal to 912 by 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square angstrom unit. For example, if they want high range level, high energy transition we want. So n1 value infinite, n1 value 1, n2 value infinite in the Lyman series. Understood, Ray? We will solve the questions, then you will get clarity. Solar update?
Most
Solar update?
yes, sir.
Dear students, listen carefully. Next tabular column, this one. Series, energy levels. Series is the Lyman series. Energy level Lyman series, N1 is the lower range level 1. Okay, N2. But N2 here, H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta up to so on, H infinity. 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Balmer series, N1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H infinity. It's infinity. Understood, dear students? Logic understood? Like this, Balmer, passion, bracket, P fund, लिख सकते हैं ना? अरे passion भी लिख सकते हैं. What is the passion here? Passion N1. Passion N1. Tell me यार.
3.
H alpha क्या होते? 4, 5, H beta 5, 6, 7. I like this. So like that, complete करो आप. Okay, dear students, I will ask one question. Listen carefully. Lambda equal to 912 by 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into 1 by n2 square into z square angstrom unit. For example, what is the wavelength of? Listen, my dear students. What is the wavelength of H beta line in Balmer series? What is the wavelength of? What is the wavelength of H beta line in Balmer series? In Balmer series. What is the wavelength of H beta line in Balmer series? Array H beta Balmer series means this one. This is the Balmer series. H beta means what is the transition here? N1 is 2, N1 is 2, N2 क्या है? H beta. H beta N2 क्या है? 4. Understood? Dear students, understood or not? Understood or not? Sritika understood? Shraddha?
Yes, sir.
Of H beta line in Balmer series N1 2 H beta is 4, H alpha is 3. So H beta line they are asking. That means 1 here hydrogen spectrum. So lambda equal to 912 by 1 by n1 value square, n2 value 4 square. Into z square means 1 square. Then lambda equal to 912 by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16. 1 by 16. So then lambda equal to 912 by 16 minus 4 by 4 into 16. Then 912 by 12 by 64. 912 by 12 into 64 by 1. Calculate for you will get answer. That is in angstroms. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So like that example I am telling. First theory, that's why I am telling. Theory पढ़ाई करो बोल रहे मैं. चलेगा बेट?
No, sir, wait.
That is the answer in terms of angstrom unit.
Done, sir.
Number of spectral lines formula n into n minus 1 by 2. N equal to higher energy level. N equal to higher energy level. Only higher energy level. For example, electron jumps from 5th energy level. For example, electron jumps from 5th energy level. 5th energy level. Then number of spectral lines formula. 5 into 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 into 4 by 2. Then 10 spectral lines. Understood, dear students? If you know only higher energy level, number of spectral lines formula n into n minus 1. If you know both higher energy level and lower energy level, another formula, number of spectral lines formula number of speckle lines formula n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1 upon 2. n2 equal to higher energy level. n2 equal to higher energy level. n1 equal to lower energy level. My point understood, dear students? Another formula, if you know both high range level and lower range level, the number of speckle lines formula, n2 high range level, n1 lower range level. Okay. For example, electron jumps from 6 to 4. Electron jumps from 6 to 4, means high range level to lower range level. The number of speckle lines. Number of speckle lines formula n2 minus n1. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 plus 1 by 2. 6 minus 4 is the 2. 7 minus 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 4, 3 upon 2. Then 3 spectral lines. Difference understood, dear students? Very, very, very important, these two formulas. If you know only higher energy level, these are the spectrums. N into n minus 1 by 2. If you know both higher energy level and lower energy level, this is the formula. Number of spectrums formula n into n minus 1 by 2. Number of spectrums formula n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1. Any doubt? Tejas? Ahad, understood? Ahad, understood? Kaumudi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Priyanka, understood? Right. So number of spectral lines formula n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, right. N into n minus 1 by 2. N is the higher range. If you know both high range level and low range level, number of spectral lines formula n2 minus n1. n2 minus n1 plus 1 by 2. Write down, dear students. Next concept, important concept. De Broglie's wave theory. De Broglie's wave theory. De Broglie's wave theory. Listen, dear students. According to de Broglie's wave theory, any moving body has possessed both particle nature and wave nature. Dual nature. Okay, right now. According to de Broglie's wave theory, any moving body has possessed both particle nature and wave nature. According to de Broglie's wave theory, any moving body has possessed both particle nature and wave nature. Is called wave nature. Okay. Wave nature, particle nature. Particle nature, Einstein energy equation. Einstein energy equation. This is the particle nature. Right? particle nature. Einstein energy equation E equal to mc square. Planck's equation. What is Planck's equation? Discuss किया ना. What is the Planck's equation? Planck's equation. From the Planck's equation, energy equal to h. So both are energies. Einstein energy equation mc square, Planck's equation h nu. Both are energies. That's why from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, mc square equal to h nu, but nu equal to c by lambda. mc square equal to h nu means c by lambda. C and c cancel. mc equal to h by lambda. Understood, right? C and c cancel. Lambda comes, that's it. It's c. H by lambda mc. Lambda equal to h by mc. Or lambda equal to h by mv. Any doubt there, students?
No, sir.
But we know very well momentum p equal to mv. P equal to mv. Then lambda equal to h by p. H by p. H is Planck's constant. H is Planck's constant. M equal to mass of particle. Mass of particle. V equal to velocity of particle. P equal to momentum. C equal to velocity of light. Because some of the particle moves with velocity of light. Right now. According to de Broglie's wave theory, any moving body has possessed both particle nature and wave nature. It's called dual nature. That is the dual behavior of matter. Physics में भी आते हैं this one. Completed?
No, sir. Complete, sir.
Okay. Relation between kinetic energy and wavelength. Relation between kinetic energy and wavelength lambda. Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. 2 kinetic energy equal to mv square. Both sides multiplied with m. 2 kinetic energy into m equal to m square v square. Understood? Either m. That's why m square v square. 2 KEM which is equal to mv whole square. Accept that? If you want mv, under root 2 KEM. Any doubt? K equal to half m square. 2 K equal to m square. Both sides multiplied with m. 2 Km equal to m square. mv whole square equal to under root 2 Km. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students? You know lambda equal to h by mv. Then lambda equal to h by square root of 2 Ke into m. Any doubt, dear students? Any doubt, dear students?
No, sir. Significance. Significance. Dear students, please listen carefully. Significance of de Broglie's wave theory. This one. What is stationary wave? What is stationary wave? What is stationary wave? Two ends of the wave meet at the same point. Where we started in this particular point. This is the ending point. Starting point, ending point is the same point. That is the stationary wave. Two ends of the wave meet at the same point. That is the stationary wave. Stationary wave. This one. Circle circumference. Circle. This one. This is a wave. Crest, trough, crest, trough. This distance is lambda. Either say the lambda, either say the lambda, either say the lambda. So how many lambdas? N lambda. But this is the wave motion, circle circumference. So then 2 pi r equal to n lambda. Dear students, understood? Stationary wave. Stationary wave means two ends of the wave meet at the starting again. Two ends of the wave meet at same point is called stationary wave. Stationary wave circle. Circle circumference formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to n lambda. Lambda equal to k hai 2 pi r. Lambda means h by m. Lambda equal to h by m. From the de Broglie's wave. Yeah. Mp comes that side, 2 pi comes in this side, then Mpr equal to n into h by 2 pi. What is this one, dear students? Tell me. What is this one? Mbr equal to n into h by 2 pi. Which formula? Angular momentum.
Yes, angular momentum of an electron. Are both postulates here. Means orbit angular momentum of an electron, Mvr equal to n into h by 2 pi. De Broglie's wave theory is supported to both postulates. Means, if we are supporting, everybody is supporting means that is good. Like that only. So de Broglie's theory is supported to Bohr's theory means Bohr's theory is successfully explained everything stability of. Understood this point? Understood? So what this is the significance. Main important. Stationary wave. Two ends of the wave meet at the same point is called stationary. Wave in this particular motion is nothing but electron in the particular motion. Electron which motion? This one central. That is the
Circle circumference 2 pi r equal to n lambda, 2 pi r equal to n into lambda means h by m. R equal to n h by lambda equal to h by m. Any doubt? Understood, dear students? This is the stationary wave. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Dear students, very important, please concentrate. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This is the nucleus, center of the nucleus. This is the orbit. Electron revolve around the nucleus in a closed circular form. Yes. Where is the position of electron? Where is the position of electron means we don't know exact position because electron revolving continuously. If electron may be stopped at somewhere at this particular as electron is there, or otherwise electron is there. Otherwise electron. But there is no exact position of electron when an electron revolve around the nucleus. Continuous revolving. If you want position of electron, electron should be stopped. Arey electron stop kiya to its velocity 0. If you want position of electron, there is no velocity. Dear student, my point understood. This is the center of the nucleus. Electron revolve around the nucleus. The electron revolve continuously. Then no position. No position. Continuous revolve ho jate. There is no exact position. If you want position, velocity 0. Understood? If you want position means stop the electron. Electron stop kiya to no velocity. No velocity. No position means then it is revolve velocity. So no velocity means it is having some position. This point understood, dear students? Understood, Ray?
सर एक बार रिपीट करो ना.
Simple logic. Listen. This point was important. Electron revolve around the nucleus. Then where is the position of electron? No position. No position. Revolving not continuously. Means if which is having velocity, then no position. No velocity means electron is stopped here. Then it is having some position, some particular position. Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here somewhere. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that only explained by Heisenberg. It is impossible to determine exact position and momentum of an electron. Velocity means momentum. It is impossible to determine. It is impossible to determine exact position and momentum of an electron. Momentum of an electron accurately and simultaneously. It is impossible to determine exact position and momentum of an electron accurately and simultaneously.
accurately and simultaneously. Understood? Right now, it is impossible to determine exact position and momentum of an electron accurately and simultaneously. Mathematical expression delta x delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta x delta p is greater than h by 4 pi. Delta x delta p is greater than h by 4 pi. Delta x uncertainty in position, delta p uncertainty in momentum, h Planck's constant. But we know momentum p equal to mv. Then delta of p equal to delta of mv. Then delta p equal to m delta v. Okay. Mass does not change, velocity change. Delta means changing. Yeah? So if you want to change in momentum, depends on changing velocity. Mass does not change. Then delta x m delta p replace m delta v substitute here is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Then delta x delta v is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m. Delta x equal to uncertainty in position. Delta v equal to uncertainty in velocity. H equal to delta p equal to uncertainty in momentum. M equal to mass of electron. H equal to Planck's constant. Understood, dear students? It is impossible to determine exact position and momentum of an electron accurately and simultaneously. This is a mathematical expression. Delta x delta p greater than h by 4 pi. P equal to md. Delta p equal to delta m. Means m delta. M delta I am substituting the equation. M comes in this side. Any doubt? Shall I repeat?
Yes.
Anjali, understood?
Yes, sir.
Delta x delta p is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta x delta b is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Case 1, if delta x equal to 0, delta x means position, change in position, uncertainty in position. Uncertainty in position 0. Then what about delta v? Okay. delta V is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m into delta x. Understood that? Delta x, delta V is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. Delta V is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m into delta x. Delta x 0. The delta V is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m into 0. 4 pi m into 0. Anything into 0, 0. Then delta V is greater than or equal to h by 0. Anything by 0 is infinite. Delta V is greater than or equal. Infinite means we cannot determine. If delta x 0 means then change in velocity we cannot determine, undefined. Case 2. If delta V equal to 0, then delta x is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m into delta V. Delta x is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m into delta V. 0 into anything, 0. Anything upon 0, infinite. Completed? Dear students, completed?